Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox mods. First, understand that mods are third-party additions that can significantly change your game experience. While they offer new features, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks like malware or account issues. Always prioritize your account security and personal data. We'll explore how to safely navigate the world of Roblox modifications, ensuring a fun and secure experience. Remember, caution is key when altering game files. Finding reliable sources is paramount when seeking Roblox mods. Look for well-established communities and forums with a strong reputation and active moderation. Be wary of websites promising unrealistic features or requiring excessive personal information. Always check user reviews and community feedback, as these can provide valuable insights into a mod's safety and functionality. A trusted source is your first line of defense against potential issues, ensuring a much safer experience. Once you've found a safe mod, the installation process typically involves a few simple steps. Before proceeding, always create a backup of your original Roblox game files. This is a 100% essential precaution. After downloading, scan all files with a reputable antivirus program to detect any malicious software. Follow the mod's specific installation guide carefully to ensure proper integration and avoid game corruption. Safety first, always, to protect your system. Maintaining your Roblox mods ensures a smooth gaming experience. Regularly check for updates to your installed mods, especially after Roblox itself updates, to prevent compatibility issues. If you encounter problems like game crashes or unexpected behavior, try disabling mods one by one to identify the culprit. Removing mods is usually straightforward, often involving deleting specific files. Always keep your game clean and optimized for the best performance and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.